You will be needing CapCut for this session. This is how to add AI generated voiceover to your videos, right? So before you get started, I believe you must have gotten your scripts, or you must have written down your scripts, whichever way. If you want to get your script from AI, from ChatGPT, or you have drafted it out yourself, you must have gotten it ready. So to get started, what you do is this is the video I want to add a voiceover to, an AI generated voiceover to. So I'll just go to text. So I'll put in the first text. So maybe I say something like, hey beautiful, let's say something like, hey beautiful. So once I type it in, okay, hey beautiful, how are you doing today? Okay, so I'll adjust this to fall in. Okay, so once I am done typing in this or inputting my text, so I'll check it. Then you see that once I checked it, it came to this page. Then you're going to still scroll on this text page. Scroll down. You're going to find, see it here, text to speech. You're going to click on it. So here you're going to find a good number of options. Many of them are on the pro version. So I just need to choose a voice. So let's try this out and see. Let's hear her voice.
Hey beautiful, how are you doing today?
Okay, so let us assume that I want to choose Jesse or Bestie or Good Guy. They have different voices. We even have Santa. So if you want the male characters only, you go to male. You're going to find all the male characters here. And if you want the female characters, you go here. You find all the female characters, including the free and pro plan. Then if you want other characters like some funny characters, you see them right here, right? So you want meme songs. This is when you want to convert your write up to music. For instance, let me show you something.
Hey beautiful, how you doing today? Hey beautiful, how are you doing today?
Exactly. So if this is what you want to turn it into meme song, or you want a Spanish voice, whatever you want is easily achievable. So
hey beautiful, how are you doing today?
So you choose Jesse. Once you're done doing this, you check on this. It's generating speech at this point. Speech generated. So let's see.
Hey beautiful, how are you doing today?
We've successfully generated the first one. So the second one will say, put your trust in God, for he's got your back always. So once we're done with this, we'll also go to text to speech. Okay, we'll go to the same Jesse. We generate.
Put your trust in God, for he's got your back always.
Okay, so you just check this. Okay, so let's start from the beginning.
Hey beautiful, how are you doing today? Put your trust in God, for he's got your back always.
So the interesting part of this to this is that if you don't want the text to show on your video while displaying, like after you're done with the text to speech, if you don't want the text to show on your video, you can easily delete them off. So this is the text. So I'll delete, but guess what?
Hey beautiful, how are you doing today? Put your trust in God, for he's got your back always.
So what it means is that even without the text, your voiceover is already embedded on your video. So I hope this shows you, or this does it for you. If you have any more questions, please ask me. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more educating content.